Here's the new Apple Watch SE3. It's faster, smarter, and more affordable than ever. With an always-on display, improved health tracking, and longer battery life, this watch gives you the best value in Apple's lineup. Let's take a closer look at what's new. Design and display. Slim aluminum case, 40mm or 44mm sizes. New always-on Retina display, tougher glass. Performance. Powered by the S10 chip with smooth performance and faster charging. Battery life, up to 18 hours daily use, 32 hours in low power mode. Health and fitness, sleep tracking, sleep apnea alerts, wrist temperature, workout tracking. Smart features, gesture controls, double tap, Apple Intelligence tools like translation and call screening. Durability. Swim-proof up to 50 meters. Water resistance. Price and options starts at $249, available in midnight and starlight finishes. And that's the new Apple Watch SE3, a faster chip, an always-on display, smart health tracking, and an affordable price all in one watch. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Apple and tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.